Hey guys, this is Brad from Earlywood. I'm here to talk about our new cooking chopsticks today. You might say, hey, these look like regular chopsticks. Well, they do, but they're a lot longer. Regular chopsticks for eating are about 9 inches long. These are 7 inches longer than that. It's 16 inches. And you might also think, well, cooking chopsticks, I've never seen those before. Is that even a thing? Yes, it is. Cooking chopsticks, or chopsticks in general, came into use in about 1200 BC in China. It was another 1600 years before anyone thought to shorten them and use them for eating. So they've obviously got a lot of uses in the kitchen. They're great for stirring, picking up noodles. In the modern day, you know, us with air fryers, they're perfect for pulling little tasty chunks out of the air fryer if you want to just pick up one at a time. And these are kind of one of those multi-purpose yet minimalist utensils that if you get them in your kitchen, you'll find use after use after use for them. They remind me of the tools in our shop. When we buy a new tool and we're not quite sure what to do with it and what to make with it, after about 3 months of using it, we can't believe we ever lived without it. And these are just like that. You'll find use after use for these for sure. So if you want to mix it up in your kitchen a little bit, try something new, I think you'll really appreciate a pair of these new cooking chopsticks and find all kinds of great uses for them. Thanks.